There's a bounty on my body, Mr. Putin put it there. $100,000, but Donnie does not care. He's commander-in-chief, he obeys only Mr. Putin. He's a traitor and a thief, he approves of my execution. One day soon we will know how Putin pulls the strings of his terrified puppet president. Will know all those horrible things. When we know what Putin knows, we'll be shocked and horrified. But by then it may be way too late. America may have died. The enemy is not the state. The enemy is not the press. The enemy is in the White House, the man who must say yes. There's a bounty on my body, Mr. Putin put it there. $100,000, but Donnie does not care. The enemy is not the other. The enemy is not the press. The enemy is the party of Trump, the ones who all say yes. Yes.